Okay, I just want to say congrats to everyone that watched my video on IVP. When I was looking at this, I was like, man, this is looking really bullish. Now, am I ever for sure 100% right? No. It's just a probabilities game. I was looking at IVP, and I was looking at the trend channel here. As you can see, upper band is going to be big resistance. Lower band is going to be big support. So when it gets near that, it's going to, more than likely hold. And then another thing I noticed is the EMA5. We've gone away from that EMA5 price. Usually, we'll go back to it fast. And look at this to a T. You guys try to tell me this is not algos to the max. Look at this. We hit the EMA5 and literally reject instantly. It's not just a hair higher, and it goes. The algos are printing. Boop, 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 boop. Comes here, hits the EMA5 target, come down, and then you can see how we're just constantly hitting that. Hit the EMA5 down, hit the EMA5 down. And so what happens is, if we're not at this lower band, this ATR4, then we have to use a trend channel. We just have to, unless it's absurd time distance away from the EMA5. But I just like this one because they had a lot of the times when you have these big moves down, like you have 11%, 20%, 33%, and another 25%. Usually dead cat bounce, refresh the indicators, refresh it, and then come back down. So what I suspect is, can we get back down to this lower trend here? I would like to see a kind of near it, see, as this is going to be your best. As you can see, if we get close to it, it's not good enough. We want to have a little distance. Well, actually, when I made that last video, we actually saw this. You see this pattern here? We had that, but price can kind of hug it. But this was a clear touch. It was definitely here. It got really close here. This is what we saw the last day. And then now that this price moves up, you can see the trend channel, kind of widens out a little. So this is what I really saw here. I was like, you know what? This is really good. There's really not much room down. If it does go down, just properly accumulate. EMA5, always your target. And what I liked about these plays is, if you look at the bottom to the high, the EMA5 made a 67% gain. That's the kind of returns you want, because the EMA5 is going to fluctuate down. So you got to make sure, is there massive gains to take? That way, if you just want to reset it, you just take it out of the EMA5. This is IVP. It's just, it's really simple technical analysis. It either works or it don't. So you hit support here, as when price gets here. I would definitely wait to see, draw your trend channel. Your trend channel is so easy to find here. Take it right here. You can see your trend channel thing here. I will erase it. I'll literally draw it for you guys on how I do it. So you just take this trend channel. Webull makes it super easy. Look at it's just where to put it. If you want to find the trend channel, look at the most recent high where it's very obvious, and kind of gives you more candles too. So right in here, if you draw it from the highest to the low, you get this actually right here. Actually, this is actually beautiful. I didn't even see this. I was doing a bigger support. Look at that. I was doing something like this. As you can see right here, it's kind of the same. But yeah, if you look at here, I mean, this was beautiful. Look at that. You had literally a clear touch bounce. So this is what I would say is, if you get a nice touch, it has to, this trend channel is going to move down. It has to touch this bottom to even think about getting an entry. Yes, it can go lower from that. It can kind of hug this bottom trend. So like right here, it could have hit here and then hit this bottom again. It can do that. But more often than not, you get a nice, beautiful bounce. Because what happened is, we had a touch here, big support, and then big support here. So I just want to say congrats, anybody that watched my videos. I made a video about this. I say, let's be patient, wait till this, and that's probably where you're going to get the big move. I want to see big volatility happening. That's what I want to see. Is this stock going down a lot? It had big moves down. Then what happens is you catch that dead cat bounce, and that's all you need. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to join the Discord, you're more than likely to join. There's a lot of people in here that are giving out great plays that I look into and that I actually take, and just being a part of the community is where you can find these plays of finding bottom trend reversals of using this system. So click the link down below in the YouTube comments below, and it'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. You'll find in my description too, and it'll take you to this free chat landing page. When you're not a subscriber yet, what you want to do is first read how to subscribe. If you have an Android, it's super easy. You'll just have to do it on your phone's browser or computer. Avoid scammers. I will never message you first, DM you, or tell you to send me money, and I'll trade your accounts and all of that. This right here service is going to teach you how to trade. The alerts are just a bonus, but if you want to subscribe, it's safely processed in Discord. Just hit server shop here. You'll see this Trade Like a Pro here, shop. In my shop here, I offer 2 products. The Day and Swing Trading Plus is my favorite. That's the one I'm going to recommend. It's my bread and butter. I love making money every day. It's my highest returns. So for $12 a month, you get access to all these subscription tabs here. They're all going to be unlocked. You know, as long as you pay, you pay your dues, and you want to learn and you know, instead of going to Starbucks and getting one of those ventis, put it into your trading, because I promise you over time, you could probably do this full time just like me. And then, yeah, it has an over 90% win ratio that's been back tested as long as you take the A+ setups. So if you guys want to join, hit this right in here, $12 a month. Also, hit day trade alerts if you want to get access. You can just do it by there. But you'll also have day trading education here that you'll get. You'll also get swing trading education if you get the bundle. This you want to get the bundle because right here also gets your alert, your indicators all set up. This indicators to use for trend reversal and all that. But yeah, it's very nice. I think you guys are gonna like it. IVP. I try to help you. You know, I try to take these that are, you know, kind of not really like A+ system setups, because I try to look for the bottom band, as you're going to see plays like this, or below this. But if there's like a big move down and I'm seeing it hitting a nice trend channel, you can get a nice move up here. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You guys are more than welcome to join the Discord. Give this video a like, subscribe, comment. I wouldn't play this thing. I wouldn't play IVP unless it really gives, it has to give a new low, and it has to hit this bottom trend channel. I showed you guys how to draw it. It's very simple, and that's how you can look for the EMA5 as a target, or this middle channel as the target. I wouldn't aim for the upper target, as that could take some time. As you can see, like, it'll kind of like slowly fluctuate. But as always, take the gains when they present, and that's the best advice I can give you. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next videos.